Hello, welcome to No Inches DIY. Another little cooking adventure today. Just a stock standard bit of mule fuel for the DIY. What we've got, it's just going to be meat and veg. I've got a beautiful piece of meat here, marinated. Can't remember what in, it looks good. It's from my favourite butcher shop, Chuck's Tender Meats, best butcher shop in Perth. Now, what I've got, homegrown taties, carrot. They're going to go in the bowl. They're going to have a spin in the microwave. I call this dish a one pot screamer because it's all going to be done in my grill pan. I'll get that on, get that hot. Carrots and taties are going in for a spin. Bit of water in there. Right, they're just going in for 8 minutes. I've stringed all these sweet peas, got some cut up and washed leek, this vegetable with the big thick stems. I've separated the stems and the leaves just so I can give the stems a bit more of a cook. Right, I'm just waiting for my pan to heat up. I don't want any stewing on my meat. Alright, I'm back. My pan's nice and hot, meat's going in. Now this is classic single man's food. One pot is all that'll need to be washed, and I'll even warm my plate up as I cook the vegetables. While that meat's just cooking on the first side, I will just have a little sip of my Cinetti, beautiful beer from Aldi. Because this is marinated meat, I'm going to turn it a bit more so I don't burn any of the marinade, but I will leave some flavour in the pan there for the de-glazed. Alright, this meat, slowly. I'm going to just throw these stems in first because they take a while to cook. We've been on the job here for about 8 minutes. Oh, burnt a bit of the marinade there. I'm going to start adding the other leafy greens in there. So I'll put the leek in first. I might just put a little bit of salt on these veggies. A bit of pepper for good measure. Next I'll just put these in. Alright, I'm going to turn this meat again. Might even warm my plate up. Give this one last stir, one last turn. Alright. The meat's coming out, it's going to rest. The light leaves that cook really quick, they're going in. The microwave ones are going in. This is where you get in and move it around. Very steamy. This is where you get all the marinade off. And drop all your taties over the side. Alright, this is where you pick up all the pan juices. I'll just go through each rib, just loosen everything up, and just cook that until all the water has gone, or till the water that's there is thickened up a bit. If some of your taties are overcooked and they disintegrate. That helps that process. The meat's ready. Let's put some taties on it. Make no mistake, all of this is going on it. I'm just trying to present. Now that is a one pot screamer, and most of the cleaning's already been done by deglazing the pan. This, I will find, will be very delicious, good for a single man who's been busy all day in the workshop.